Hi everyone, we're going to do another Leetcode today, and today we're going to do the longest substring without repeating characters. So this is in the medium difficulty, and basically the problem is you're given a string and you need to find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. So for example, if you have this input s with this string here, the longest substring will be ABC and the output will be 3. So because if you have like 4 ABCA, there's a repeating string there, there's 2 A's in it. The same thing goes here, BCBB, and there is more than one time B occurs in the string. So if you just look at it, 4 ABC, ABCB, yeah. So that's basically what the problem is, and we're going to try and solve this Leetcode here. So what I would do is I would probably do something called a sliding window. So I'm just going to show you how it's done. So I'm going to have a pointer and I'm going to say L equals 0. So this is going to point at the start of the string. Then I'm going to have another variable called current, which is equal 0. So this variable is going to track basically what the length of the substring is without any repeating characters. And then I'm going to have another variable that gives me the final answer. So we have our variable. So now we're going to iterate through the string. So I'm going to have another variable here, let r equals 0. So this is another pointer, and then r is less than s length, and we're going to increment that. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to say while, okay, so what we're going to do is first we're going to just add, we're going to increment the current, and then while s dot substring, so we're going to say from L to R, and we're going to say dot includes SR. What we're going to do is we're going to increase L, and we're going to decrement minus. So basically what we're doing is we're iterating through this string here, and then any point of time we actually get to a string where there is basically a repeating character, right? We're going to say it's okay. So once it gets to ABC and then SR, we see there's going to be a repeating character. We're going to increment L plus, which is another pointer. So it will just highlight B and C there. And then we're going to minus the current counter here by 1. So that's basically what is a window is. So that's going to keep track of it. Okay, so I have all this. Yeah, there we go. Minus 1, and then after this while loop, we're going to just say answer equal math, not max, either the answer or current. So anytime we have a number that's greater, we just update that answer. And once we're done with the loop, we can just return the answer here. And let's just run this and see the test cases. Okay, so we've got a test case that passed. Let's submit it. Okay, so we got the answer accepted. So that's how you actually do this problem here. So for this problem, you really have a time complexity of O of n, since you're not really actually, you're just going through the whole string once. So it's going to grow as the length of S grows, and you have a space complexity probably of O of 1. So that's actually good. We can see the runtime here is 80% and memory is 76%. So that's the solution for this problem. I hope you enjoyed this video. We're gonna do more of this Leetcode problem soon, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next video.